Today I'm going to do it's an Italian dish. I call it Manacotti. It's similar to a baked ziti in a way, except I'm adding Italian sausage to it. So I've got my noodles cooking. Let me see. I'm winging it again today all on my own. See if you can see my noodles. I've got one box of noodles. And I've got one packet of Italian sausage. The Italian sausage that I'm using today is in links. And if you use links, I do recommend taking the casing off of it. But now you can also find it just like hamburger meat grounded in a pack. You can find it like rolled sausage. And you can also get it's Italian meatballs. Sometimes I get those and just cut them up and fry them. But so I'm just taking my sausage links, and I've already took the casing off of them. The casing can seem to be a little hard, so I'm just taking it off. But just fry it up till it's brown in a skillet. You can serve this with salad and garlic bread. Just sort of fry it till it gets a little brown on about a medium heat. It's one of these cheesy dishes, a little junky as I call it. Sometimes we just want a different pace from just everyday meals, I guess. All kids likes it, teenagers. It's a good dish you can take to potlucks. If you're having birthday parties or anything like that, you know, it's something other good that you can make a big bunch of and take it. I just want to thank everybody again that's been liking my videos and subscribing. I sure appreciate it. I've had a lot of comments, a lot on Facebook, and when I see people out or whatever, people, you know, has commented on them that they've enjoyed them, and I'm sure glad you do. And I'll try to get to everybody's request just as soon as I can. I've got my noodles done. I'm using today I'm using ziti noodles. They are a long looking noodle. You can also use a Manacotti noodle, and they ain't much difference in them. The Manacotti noodles has a little rigid that sort of holds the sauce a little bit better than what the ziti noodles does. But I'm going to drop these and drain them. Now today I'm going to use you can put this in a 9x13 baking dish, or if you have this is a small roasting pan that I'm using today, because it holds a lot and I don't have to worry about it bubbling over or anything like that. So that's what I'm going to use today. I've already got it sprayed. You spray it with a little bit of butter spray, cooking spray. It just helps for it to not stick real bad. Just drain your noodles real good. Let them set for just a minute or two and let a lot of the water run out. And I'm going to use 2 jars of spaghetti sauce. You can use whatever kind of spaghetti sauce that is your favorite. as I've got older, I've had a harder time opening stuff, so your hands just don't work like they used to as you get older. Now I'm going to use 2 jars of spaghetti sauce. And you will need a big pack of shredded cheese. You can use whatever kind of shredded cheese that you like. I usually always stick right around with the Kobe Jack cheese. Now I'm going to dump my noodles in my pan. Now this is 1 box of noodles. Let's see if you can see that. That's 1 box of noodles in that. I'm going to move right up here so you can see. And I'm going to go ahead and put both jars of spaghetti sauce in. You can add onions in this if you wanted to, fry it up in with your sausage, or you could also put some green peppers in it too if you wanted to. But now I ain't going to add any of that today, but it's an option you can use. And I'm going to add a little bit of cheese in with it. Now I add so much in, you just add you a cup or 2 of cheese through it. And mix it up real good. That way you got a little bit of cheese running all the way through it. Some people like cheese more than others, and I happen to be one of them people that really likes cheese. So. This is something though that you can fix ahead of time. You know, if you work through the middle of the week like I do, that's the reason why I don't get up as many videos as I would like to, but you can fix this ahead of time, and if like for the next day or 2 you can put it in the oven, or if you wanted to freeze this you could for later on in the week. Okay, my sausage is done. Now I like to, when I fry sausage and stuff like this, I'm going to fix me up a plate and put a paper towel on it and pour that over into that, so that way it takes up and soaks up some of that grease, so you ain't got as much in your food. Now Italian sausage to me is one of the best smelling sausages that they are. I'm just going to let that grease soak up some. You can pat it a little bit with your paper towel, so that way you ain't got all that extra grease going over into your dish. Have your oven ready at about 350. Just mix it up real good so you've got a little bit of that sausage going all the way throughout your dish. And you can sprinkle the cheese over the top of it. And you can sprinkle however much you like. Okay, I've got probably right at about 1.5 cups to close to 2 cups of cheese on the top. So you can see. Now I'm going to stick this in the oven on 350 and let it bake for about 20 minutes. Because all you really need, it's already good and hot, so all you really need is to let that cheese melt, you know. On 350, anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes, you should be fine. Okay, and we'll come back when I get it done. Welcome back, everybody. I've got my Manacotti out of the oven, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. See how good and cheesy that is. You got the big pieces of sausage in it. It goes real well with garlic bread. You fix your salad to go with it. And it's just real good eating. Thank you all, and God bless. Remember to like and subscribe.